Avoiding known risks, a guide to safer choices. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase that can help you make safer and more informed decisions in life. Avoid known risks. Understanding this phrase can empower you to navigate through various situations more wisely. So, let's get started and break down what this phrase really means and how you can apply it in your daily life. Avoid known risks is a phrase that encourages people to stay away from situations or actions that are known to be dangerous or likely to cause harm. When we say avoid, we mean to keep oneself away from something. Known refers to something that is recognized, understood, or established. Risks are the potential for loss, damage, or any other undesirable outcome. Putting it all together, the phrase advises us to steer clear of situations that we already know might lead to negative consequences. It's a principle that applies to many aspects of life, including health, finance, relationships, and more. To bring this concept closer to home, let's look at some everyday examples. Health. Knowing that smoking is harmful to your health, avoiding the habit is a way to avoid known risks. Finance. If investing in a certain stock is known to be highly volatile and you're not prepared for the potential loss, choosing not to invest is an example of avoiding known risks. Personal safety. When you're aware that walking alone at night in a certain area is dangerous, choosing a different route or time to walk is another way of avoiding known risks. These examples show that being aware and making informed decisions can significantly reduce the chances of facing adverse outcomes. Understanding and applying the principle of avoiding known risks is crucial because it helps us protect ourselves from harm or loss, make smarter decisions that lead to better outcomes, live a healthier and more secure life by consciously choosing safer paths. By being proactive about the risks we take, we can not only safeguard our well-being but also set a positive example for others to follow. Thank you for watching our video on avoiding known risks. We hope this discussion has illuminated the importance of being mindful about the choices we make and the actions we take. Remember, knowledge is power, and being aware of the risks around us is the first step towards making safer, smarter decisions. Stay safe, make wise choices, and see you in our next video.